My name's Ernie Kellerman. I'm a former Cleveland Browns defensive back. In fact, I played in the NFL for 9 years. I had a previous knee procedure done when I was in high school to have a torn meniscus repaired. I had some knee experiences as a professional player, and I think that had to do with some of the knee problems I've had just most recently in the last year. I was having everyday issues, whether it be walking. I used to like to jog quite a bit just to maintain shape and that sort of thing, and that I had to stop jogging. So I've seen one, maybe two orthopedic specialists, Dr. Hergenroder being the one that came highly recommended. He determined that the total knee replacement was something that was in order and that I should seriously consider, which I did. I just feel in the initial stages of getting ready by the medical people at Trumbull Regional Medical Center that I was well prepared for the procedure. I do recall going to the pre-op course where they give you a good characterization of what you could look forward to and what's going to happen. There were no surprises, I think, when you did finally go in and have the procedure done. The procedure was a success, and the very next day I was in one of the classes where we were doing knee exercises to help the knee get back to some degree of normalcy. I've always been a very active person and love to do things outdoors, and I feel this has given me an opportunity to get back to where I once was before. They do a phenomenal job there at Trumbull Regional Medical Center, and I would highly recommend that hospital to anybody interested in having a knee procedure or other types of procedures.